Hello everyone, I'm super excited as always and I hope you are all doing great out there. I'm all smiles today. It's because of my recipe. When it's egusi, I'm longing for that swallow that goes with it. My ingredients are pepper mix, palm oil, iru, pomo, dried fish, yes, stockfish, beef, egusi, ugu and seasoning. So let's cook. My beef is already in the pot, well seasoned, and it's boiling. Now I can add my stockfish, dried fish, pomo, and allow them to boil together. Now I'm checking in the water. I'm just going to add a little bit of water because all my protein must be very soft. When all my protein are very soft, I add in my pepper mix, palm oil seasoning, iru, and mix together. Can you see all is so yummy already? Then I add in a little bit of water to my egusi, mix and drop it in one by one. Allow it cook, and once it is all cooked, I mix in all my sliced ugu, mix everything very well, and it's done. All the rishi are yummy. Can't wait to serve and taste. You can pair your egusi soup with any swallow of your choice. For me today, I'm enjoying mine with semovita. Please recreate this recipe and keep watching Fofolicious Food Bites.